Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Epix Gen 2, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device by using the system settings. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. If you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 30%. Because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Okay, now let's continue with the reset. So first thing we need to do is to press and hold the app/menu button to open the menu. Once the menu opens, we need to scroll through it, and you can do it in two ways. You can use the touch screen or use the physical buttons, up and down buttons. Now scroll through the menu, scroll down basically, keep scrolling down. Once you see the settings icon, you can tap on it to open the settings, or just keep scrolling down to open them. Basically keep scrolling down through the menu until you find the system option. Now you can tap on system to select it, or you can press the start/stop button. I'm just gonna use the touch screen, so I'm gonna tap on the system. Now let's scroll down through the menu again, find the option called reset, and here, and of course tap on it to select it. And here we have two options, or even more than two options, as you can see. We have a couple of options. We have reset default settings. Basically this resets the settings to default factory default, but it doesn't remove the data from your watch. Next option is delete all activities. Basically this removes all of the activities data. Next we have reset totals. This resets the totals. And last option is delete data and reset the settings. We want to select this option. Basically this option removes everything from our watch, the data and the settings. Select this option, and here we need to confirm by tapping on the check mark or pressing the start/stop button. Now we need to select yes, and now let's wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see this on the screen, basically the welcoming screen, that means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.